What's up, my name is TechNobo here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a bit different. It's an interesting feature that's been added to Google Chrome recently that you may find some use of, especially if you're a keyboard-centric techie like me. I'll often type in commands or use a lot of keyboard shortcuts to get things done faster. If I simply open up Google Chrome and pull it across to my screen over here, you'll see it working as usual. But at the very top, what we need to do is head into the flag section by heading across to Chrome, //flags, and then hitting enter. In this screen, we'll simply search for Commander, and you should see an experiment about Commander. However, if you see something like me, and you're watching this on the same day that I uploaded, or relatively close to it, you'll notice that you're not running version 90, where this feature is first included. To download this, all we have to do is head across to the link in the description down below. google.com/chrome/beta. On this page, simply click Download Chrome Beta, and it'll download Chrome version 90 or whatever beta version is currently available. I'll simply click Chrome Setup.exe, give it admin when prompted, and it should start up simply. After it's done downloading, you can see it's opened up, and there's an error in the top right. This is just because it's got all of my extensions added, and I can choose to enable them or disable them. There we go. So of course, this will add another shortcut to your start bar, the Google Chrome Beta. But let's once again go ahead and open up the flags menu and see what we have there. So I'll head to Chrome, //flags, and this time I'll search for Commander once again. As you can see, Commander is available here. Enable a text interface to browser features for Mac, Windows, Linux, and Chrome OS. I'll change this from default, which is disabled, to enabled. Then I'll click Relaunch in the bottom right, and Chrome will relaunch. Upon its relaunch, we can simply hit Control and Spacebar to bring up this new window over here. What does this do? Let's go ahead and type in, say, B. After hitting B on our keyboard, after Control and Space, you can see I've got options to bookmark this tab, back, clear browsing data, show bookmarks bar, etc., etc. While most of these are simple commands that you'd use with keyboard shortcuts on the far right-hand side, some of these may be unbound or features that aren't linked to keyboard shortcuts. Let's see if I can find one. There we go. C, Chrome Help, close unpinned tabs. Some of these you may find incredibly useful, some of them not so much. For me, I'll only be using this feature after I find some good commands, like something up here. I can hit Control Space, G, and then I can open up a new Google Meet, Form, Slides, Sheet, Doc, etc., etc. I'll probably be using this mostly for Google Sheets, but there's an example of the kind of thing that you can do with this. I would assume that at some stage in the future, this feature will be linked with extensions, or there'll be some kind of extension API with this, where extensions that you can install will be added to this menu in some way or another. Currently, I'm not too sure, and it is only available on the beta branch of Chrome. If I simply click New Google Slides, I'll probably be prompted to sign in, which I am, but if I was signed in, it would simply make a new Google slide for me to go ahead and edit. Super simple. I'm not going to go into too much detail with what you can do with this feature, as it's still brand new and currently only available on the beta branch. But eventually, it will be added to the full Google Chrome, which is why I showed you the example in the very beginning, as well as how to download the beta if you're interested in it. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you found something useful in it. My name's been TechNobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!